Certificate of Participation is presented to Christine Hitero. Palakpakan! Christine Hitero. Ayan. Thank you so much. Okay. Christine Hitero. Ayan. Palakpakan. Ating mga official photographers in the house. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much. Certificate of Participation is presented to Kathleen Hitero. Nagkaroon kini. Magamit ninyo mo in the future. Okay, pasensya na mo sa tuwang tungkol sa appreciation kasi pamata lang yun sa actually in general. So, hindi magamit sa mga dago na, pero pwede ninyo ihatag sa inyong mga isuon katong mga bata-bata pa, ha? Okay. Thank you so much. Yay! Thank you. Certificate of Participation is presented to Joshua Radia. Joshua! Nakaano na si Joshua, nakabatik na, wala na lang sila. Okay. Next. Thank you so much. This certificate of participation is awarded to Adrian Tulawi. Palakpakan. Adrian, thank you so much. Ang sundalo puho ni Ate Shirley. Okay. Bye agad. Bye, Adrian. Okay. Thank you. Next certificate of participation is presented to Shaira Jane Ortiz. Shaira, okay, thank you. Palakpakan. Okay. Thank you so much. And of course, ato ang mga beginners, we have the certificate of accomplishment or graduation is given to Rosebel S. Edma. Rosebel, ayan. Certificate. Thank you. We have certificate of graduation. This certificate is given to John Lawrence Cariaga. Sana si John Lawrence? Hi, John Lawrence. Asan ito ang buwang estudyante ng Bisaya kayo? Nauli na siguro. Nauli na to, hindi? Katong Bisaya kayo? Naluwi ka itong pinisa na di ay. Si Angelo, oo. Certificate of graduation is presented to Ryle Matthew Ginon. Hey, thank you, ang kapulan resort. Next, certificate of graduation is presented to Nika Calibo. Wala? Nika, wala si Nika. Okay. Certificate of graduation is given to Andre Salcedo. Well, thank you. Thank you so much. Of course, another certificate of graduation is presented to John Carlo Tino. Yay! Thank you, Nangga. Okay. Wala lang sound. Certificate. Sound tag. Okay. Certificate of graduation is given to Paris James Capcaban.
Ay, hinahanap ko na may...
Certificate of graduation is presented to Yuna Cañete. Yay! Nangga, ito ka Nangga. Asa na? Naabot na Romy dito daga. Dali na, dagan pa ko Romy. Nana niya. Smile! Smile lang.
Smile lang, guys.
Masaya ang beauty. Okay.
Smile!
Smile! Exchange lang muna ko Romy. Smile! Okay. Certificate of graduation is presented to Prince Ifel Capcaban. Ifel ba ni? Ifel Capcaban. Yay!
Yay! Okay, thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much.